By your site near India's second largest cricket stadium. Hello friends, we are not talking about just a stadium. This is a massive, ultra-modern sports city project. According to recent reports, the Karnataka government has given in-principle approval for a mega high-budget sports complex near Jigani in Surya City. The main attraction of this project is an 80,000-seat cricket stadium, which will be India's second largest. Apart from the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, this is all set to become the biggest cricket arena in the country. And it's not just cricket. Reports say that 8 indoor and 8 outdoor sports arenas will be built here. From outdoor games like athletics, hockey and tennis to indoor sports like badminton, volleyball and kabaddi, world-class facilities are coming up. An Olympic-sized swimming pool, a modern gym, hostels for players, 3-star and 5-star hotels, and convention halls to host international events will also be part of the project. Just think for a moment, how can such a large-scale project transform an entire region? When an international stadium comes up, roads, hotels and malls automatically follow. It gives a big boost to the economy of that area. And the direct impact is on real estate. Land prices shoot up like a rocket. Think about the value of the MG Road area where the Chinnaswamy Stadium is located. A similar or even bigger level of development will happen in this new region. So where is this golden opportunity located? Where is the center of all this development? That location is Surya City Phase 4, being developed by the Karnataka Housing Board, KHB. This is not just any regular layout. It is one of KHB's largest townships. Spread across a massive 1,200 acres, this township is being developed in a well-planned and organized manner. Located in Anekal Taluk, an area that has all the qualities to become the future center of Bengaluru, it has excellent connectivity to Electronic City, Jigani and Bommasandra industrial areas and is close to Hosur Road, NH48. Worried about Bengaluru traffic? The upcoming metro station is just 3 kilometers away. Silkwood Junction is only 15 kilometers away. Electronic City, Bengaluru's major IT hub, is a 15 to 20-minute drive. Big companies like Biocon, Toyota, Volvo, and HCL are located around this region. That means close to employment, close to city facilities, yet far from the noise and chaos, a peaceful planned area. What do you get inside this township? Wide 100 feet, 80 feet, and 60 feet roads, Cauvery water connection for every house, 24/7 security, drainage system, and lush green parks. All the modern amenities provided directly by KHB. Additionally, a large bus terminal, commercial complexes, schools, hospitals, everything is part of this township. The sites here are completely legal. There is a possibility that this will be a RERA-approved project. You will get proper Ekhata sites. Everything is transparent. Landowner share sites are available. Depending on your budget and requirement, you can choose plot sizes such as 20 into 30, 30 into 40, 30 into 50, 40 into 60, and 50 into 80 feet. Near a metro city like Bengaluru, it is nearly impossible to get a site in a government-approved township with so many amenities. This is truly a jackpot opportunity. Home loans are easily available from nationalized banks. Friends, this is not just a site purchase, it is a lifetime investment and one of the best decisions for your future. Let me give you 4 key reasons. Karnataka Housing Board Project. Your investment is 100% legally safe. All development and infrastructure follow KHB standards. Infrastructure boost. As I said earlier, the proposed stadium will act like a giant magnet. It won't remain just a stadium. It will become an economic hub and a tourist destination. The direct benefit of this growth will go to the plot owners. If you invest today, by the time the stadium is completed, your land value could double or even triple. As soon as the stadium work starts and surrounding areas develop, prices will only go up. 1 year later, you may not get these plots for the same price. First come, first served. Perfect lifestyle. This is not an empty plot layout. A complete lifestyle is being created here. KHB is even planning beautiful duplex houses and villas. Large parks, children's play areas, shopping complexes, everything will be right next to your home. This is not just an investment location, it can also be the site of your future dream home. Friends, I know how difficult it is to find a good, legal, high-return investment opportunity near Bengaluru. Such an opportunity is standing right in front of you today. To fulfill your dream and secure your investment, there is no better opportunity than this. For more information, call the number on your screen right now, 7411-554-412. This opportunity will not come again. If you delay, you may lose the chance to build a better future. Call now.